Okay, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Currently, I am working. I am doing in my family business.
Okay. Do you often invite your friends to visit your home?
Yes, I oftenly like to invite my friend to my home because it's provide me some special events to entertain my friend with different kind of foods.
Okay, this is good. You said oftenly. There's no word like oftenly, fastly. We just say often. Then
Okay.
you said it's provide me. It should be it provides me.
Okay.
Right? But don't worry, relax, just it'll be fine. Let's go on. Do you like visitors coming to your house?
Yes, I like to visit visitor coming.
I like the visitors coming to my house.
I like the visitors coming to my house because whenever I feel burden, so I call my friends to come at my home so that we can enjoy with them.
So that I can enjoy
So
with them or
with
so
them.
that we can enjoy together.
Okay.
All right, let's go on. Do people often visit you at your home?
Yes, people
Often visit me in my home.
often visit me in my home, especially twice or thrice in a month.
Okay, especially on the weekend, my relatives and my friends they come to my house. Just like this, you can add some detail.
Okay.
Okay. How often? Okay, it's the same thing. When do visitors come to your home? Now, when means the time. You can say visitors often come to my house on Sundays, and then explain a little. So, when do visitors come to your home?
Uh, Often visitors come to my home on some special occasion like a religious event or some other special event so that we can enjoy a lot of things
Okay,
with them.
religious events and some sort of special events, make it plural, and
Okay.
focus your sentence structure. Okay, it's
Okay.
important for you. Let's go on. One last question. What do you usually do together with your visitors?
Whenever visitor come to my home, especially we play a lot of types of games with them and go to some restaurant so that I can enjoy a different we can enjoy a different kind of foods. So it's
So this is what I usually do whenever the visitors come to my house.
okay.
Right? One
Yeah.
sentence conclude. Gradually you'll be fine, but focus your language, especially your tenses. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you.